Good morning, Texas, America, the rest of the world. Welcome back, YouTube. So, just want to greet everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For this episode, let's check out what we've been getting through UPS. Lots of boxes. Boxes. Sorry, the garage is a little bit of a mess. I don't know what this mystery package is here. But as you can see, UPS did a number. Our San Antonio guy here is pretty darn good, so I'm not sure what happened where this mystery box got crushed. Alright, let's go see what this is. Oh, looks like we got the range. Got a range hood. Gotta install it at some point, but that's not what y'all are here for. Mystery box number 1. Mystery box number 2. Alright, let's open this guy up. Gerber. What could this be? Oh. It's pretty well protected. Bubble wrap. What's this? Nope. Looks like something that what is going on? Something is wrapped, as you guys. Alright, package number 1. What does that say? Merry Christmas, Santa. Oh boy. Let's see what the other one is. Package. Another note. What's it say here? Package number 2. What's it say here? Here's a little something. Safari Bible. Santa. Ooh, what is this? Ooh boy. What can this be? Let's check it out. Oh buddy. It's really pretty. What is this? Ooh, flat out GR lights. Let's put this guy right there. GR lights. This guy right here. Very nice. Nothing here. Over time. Ooh buddy. These are nice. Very nice. Thank you, Santa. I'm flat out. These are pretty darn awesome. Here we go. Oh, these are like really well made. Airbox springs. 2A1 springs. Is there anything else in here? What's this guy? Ooh, fancy. Oh, warranty. Looks like it's has all the info here. Pretty awesome stickers. Chain. And then the person that built it, pretty awesome. And it looks like we got a couple other stuff here. These appear to be the rear spring purchase. Really nice quality, good weight to them. Very nice. Let's open one up. It has that pretty special coating on there too, huh? I forget. Gotta check out the website, y'all. Very cool. This. And it looks like you can choose which fits your S197 Mustang better. Very awesome, flat out very awesome. Little spring perch stuff right here, or sorry, the coilover adjusters, spanner wrenches. Yeah, cool beans. All right, moving on. Let's get some good stuff right here. Ooh, very, very nice. This thing is stout. Flat out GR light. Huh? Looks like this has become an unboxing video. Look at this guy. Very nice. Very, very nice. Flat out. Cool. Firebox springs. It's probably for the rear. Yep. Nice. There it is. Beautiful. Right out GR lights. Same thing with this one. Firebox springs. It's pretty good. And then look at this guy right here. Some QA1 springs right there. Made in the USA. Both springs are made in the USA. Continuing on. Very nice. Last one. Very, very nice. Good stuff right there. Good stuff. Alright, well, tell me what y'all think. Stay tuned for the install video and some more shenanigans with the Safari 500 and Rally Ready.